Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, we explained the chart of accounts concept in Maxis, including the 4 account levels, account nature, receivables, payables, cost of sales, administration expenses, and how the structure affects accounting reports. In this video, we will continue with the chart of accounts, but this time we will focus on the toolbar options, the import functionality, and the chart of accounts structure page. We will start with the search option. The search screen allows us to search for any account category or actual account inside the chart of accounts. From this screen, we can filter by account level, name, currency, balance, and other available fields. For example, if we want to search for a bank account, a hotel account, or a cost account, we can use the filters at the top of the table to narrow down the results. We can also export the search results to Excel, which is useful when the accounting team needs to review or share the chart of account structure outside the system. On the far right side of each account row, we have the arrow icon. By clicking this arrow, we can open the statement of account for the selected account. This means that from the chart of accounts search screen, we can quickly move from the account structure to the account transactions and balances. Next, we have Refresh. Refresh reloads the chart of accounts screen and updates the displayed data. This is useful after adding, importing, moving, or merging accounts, so we can make sure the latest changes are reflected on the screen. Next, we have Print. The Print option is used to preview and print the chart of accounts structure. When we click Print, the system takes us to the Search in Chart of Accounts report. From there, we can review the chart of accounts with its balances, and we can export the report in the format we need, such as PDF, Excel, Word, or any available output format. Now, before we explain how to add accounts automatically using import, let us first explain how to add accounts manually. As we explained in the previous video, Level 1 is fixed and cannot be edited by users. However, Level 2, 3, and 4 can be managed based on the company's accounting structure. Level 2 and Level 3 are usually used for classifications and subclassifications. Level 4 is used for the actual accounts that will be used in transactions. For example, let us assume that we want to add a new hotel category under Accounts. We go to Level 1 and choose Accounts. Then, under Level 2, we choose Hotels. Now, in Level 3, we click the green plus button and add a new category called 5-star hotels. After saving the category, we select 5-star hotels, then add a new Level 4 account under it. For example, we can add an account called Amman Hotel 5-star. Then we click Save. Now this hotel account becomes part of the chart of accounts and can be used in reservations, accounting postings, supplier payments, and reports, depending on the system setup. Now we move to the import feature. The import feature is useful when the company already has a list of accounts prepared in Excel, especially Level 4 accounts. Instead of creating each account manually one by one, we can import the data into Maxis. Let us take hotels as an example. Assume that we already have an Excel sheet containing hotel account information, such as account name, telephone number, or any other related fields. To import the accounts, we copy the table from Excel. Then, from Maxis, we click Import. We paste the copied table into the import window, then click Upload Table. The system will read the table and prepare it for mapping. In the next step, we need to map the columns. For example, we tell the system which column represents the account name, which column represents the number, which column represents the country, and which column represents the city. After mapping the columns, we click Next. If the first row in the Excel table contains column headers, such as account name, telephone, etc., we enable Exclude First Row option. This tells the system not to import the first row as an actual account. If the first row already contains real account data, then we leave this option unchecked. Finally, we click Import. The system will create the accounts automatically based on the imported Excel data. This feature saves a lot of time, especially during implementation when the company has many agents, hotels, suppliers, or other accounts to enter. Now we move to the Chart of Accounts structure page. This page is very important because it allows us to control the structure of the chart of accounts after accounts have already been created. It includes important functions such as reordering accounts, moving accounts, and merging accounts. These tools are powerful because they affect the accounting structure and how accounts appear in reports. We will start with Reorder. The reorder function allows us to change the order of accounts or categories inside any level of the chart of accounts. This is available for all levels. The purpose is simple. It allows the company to arrange account categories and accounts in the order they want to see them in reports. For example, under Assets, we may have current assets first and fixed assets second. If we go to the accounting reports, we will see them in the same order. Now, if the company wants fixed assets to appear before current assets, we can use the Reorder option. We click Reorder, change the order, then click Save. After refreshing the related report, the new order will be reflected immediately. This is especially useful when a company has many accounts under the same level and wants to arrange them from the most important to the least important, or based on its internal reporting policy. Next, we have the Move feature. The Move feature is used to move an account from one category to another. Let us take the Amman Hotel 5-star account that we created earlier as an example. Assume that we created this account under the Level 3 category called 5-star hotels. But later, for any reason, we decide to move it directly under the hotels category. To do that, from the Chart of Accounts structure page, we select Level 1 as Accounts. Then we select Level 2 as Hotels. Then we select Level 3 as 5-star hotels. Next to the Amman Hotel 5-star account, we click Move. A pop-up window will appear. On the left side of the pop-up, the system shows us where the account is currently located. This is the Transfer From section. It shows the current structure of the account, such as Level 1 to 4. On the right side, we have the Transfer To section. Here, we choose where we want to move the account. For example, we choose Accounts for Level 1, Hotels for Level 2, and Hotels for Level 3. Then we click OK. The account will be moved to the new category. The important point here is that moving the account does not delete its transactions. The account remains the same account, but its location in the Chart of Accounts structure changes. This change will also reflect in the accounting reports according to the new structure. Now we move to the Merge feature. The Merge feature is used when we have duplicate accounts that should be combined into one account. This usually happens when the same account is created more than once by mistake. For example, if we search the hotel accounts, we may find two accounts with the same name, such as Jordan Hotel 1 and 2. This can create problems, especially if both accounts already have transactions, or if both accounts are already used by reservation and accounting teams. Instead of keeping two duplicated accounts and confusing the users, while in the same time we can't delete the one of them because it have transactions, we can merge them into one correct account. To do this, we click Merge next to the account we want to merge from. A pop-up window will appear. On the left side, we have the Merge From section. This shows the account that will be merged and removed from separate use. On the right side, we have the Merge With section. Here we select the correct account that should remain in the system. Then in Merge With, we select the proper Jordan Hotel account that we want to keep. After selecting the correct account, we click OK. The system will merge the selected account into the proper account. This means that the transactions and balances will be moved and consolidated under the account we selected in Merge With. After merging, the transactions will be under the merged with account, and the duplicated account name will be changed in the reservation and quotation files into the merged with account. Also, the users should continue using the correct account only. This feature is very useful for cleaning duplicated accounts and keeping the chart of accounts organized. But it should be used carefully because it affects accounting history, balances, and reports. Only authorized accounting users or system administrators should use the merge function. This completes the explanation of the chart of accounts toolbar, import functionality, and structure management. In the next video, we will explain opening balances. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.